Okay, to help you with all this, we have got a wonderful website called enterprise-education.in. I would suggest each one of you spend at least several hours on it, not a few. It will have several levels: general level, primary, uh, infant level, primary level, upper primary level, secondary level, and college level. In infant level, there is an Udyam Shastra. You see what I told you about those TV programs and radio programs? Then a number of experts got together from Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Orissa, and in Meghalaya. And from that, we extracted what are the basic sutras we are trying to talk. And almost like a mantra, they have been converted into Marathi with a translation into English. And then secondary and higher secondary, I'll be introducing you to some of the exercises over here for this enterprise education session. Then there's a college level also in the same enterprise education. This is a full business plan. You might take about 6 months to do it. So those of you who are in the college, please note this. Go to enterprise-education.in, go to college level, and solve all the worksheets which are there over here: business overview, products and services, industrial overview, so on and so forth. Huge it is. But do it very slowly and realistically, as if you are going to start your enterprise. Which means just don't write something blind. If you say business overview, please do research for almost 1 week, then write it. If you're taking products and services, do research, think about it, then write it. Industrial overview, do research, then write about it. You should take at least 6 months to write it. And when you pass out of college, you will have your own thoughts very clear. You may not necessarily become an entrepreneur immediately, but this will serve you in good state when you are thinking of your own enterprise. So the first lesson in the secondary modules is that of existing enterprise skills. Here I would like to offer to the assemblage over here some thoughts from that Udyam Shastra. As I said, there are shlokas or mantras in it. The Maharashtra Bank of Self-Employment Training, they in fact make all the students over there learn these by heart. And I asked them, why are you doing that? They said this will remain in their memory. And when they are actually going out in life, and at some point it will prop up and help them to realize the right path. So the first, here I have just taken one shloka which says, Udyogaha manavi prayatnansa, nisarga nirmit sadhanansa, anik grahak garzansa, suvarna yoga. Harmony of human efforts, nature's resources bountiful, and the needs of the market makes an enterprise successful. You see how pithy and short it is? But if you learn it by heart, put it into your subconscious, it will take you. आपको पूरा आपका नैया पार करा देगा. Okay, those of you who are very studious, I'm sure you must have taken out the printouts of the worksheet which I had sent you. I don't know if you can see. Huh? Okay, yeah. So these are the worksheets. The first worksheet is that of enterprise skills. Please go through that worksheet very carefully. It gives you, initially I've written that drive, perseverance, explanation, highly motivated, sticking to the task, willing to take chances. Now, I want to throw it open to the audience over here. Can you please put down at least one more skill which you think an entrepreneur should have? Just put one. And I'm looking at the chat box so that I can see what you write. What do you think? Financial. Okay, good. Mrudula said financial. Any other? Think of the basic skill inside. Communication skill. Beautiful. Patience. Okay. Management skills. Communication. Anybody else? Innovation. Resilience. Vaishali. Very good. Risk taker. Oh my God. Good. Decision making. Technical. Hard work. Accept challenges. Empathetic. Teamwork. Oh my God. Oh, guys. Hey, guys, just wait for a while. Wait for a while. You guys are simply fantastic. Be a leader, not a boss. Okay, all of you can also open your chat boxes and see there are beautiful answers, beautiful answers. Mahek Patel said something wonderful, wonderful. Okay, you can stop now for a moment. We'll stop for a moment. You see, very beautiful. That is one of the secrets of entrepreneurship. Enterprise and entrepreneurship is within you. It doesn't have to be taught. Even a child, I've seen small children coming out with beautiful ideas. It's within you. What this enterprise education will do is only remove your the dust which is there on your mind and realize what you are within you. Realize that entrepreneur. In fact, I have read a research paper which said that when you are born, you are 100% entrepreneur. When you are born, you are 100% entrepreneur. It's unfortunately our education system tries to put you into a small case that this is how we want you to be. And by the time you pass out of school or college, you are only 10% of that entrepreneurship. So that enterprise skills, enterprise education is trying to remind you, "Arey bhai, tum entrepreneur ho." That is what Chandramouli ji will do. That is what Nitin Naik will do. We will remind you, you're already entrepreneur. In fact, when Shraddha was talking, I felt, hey, what am I doing? Am I taking a class for such youth who already know so much? So rest assured, you are entrepreneurs already. So this exercise, please solve it at home. And after you have solved it, rate yourself. If you get 80 to 100, fantastic. 60 to 80, keep it up. 40 to 60, keep improving. 40 or less, keep improving. You will do it. And at the end of the enterprise education of district literacy committee or the action course which the road tract is going to do, rate yourself again, and you will find that you have improved a lot. Then there's a lesson 3, which is business idea generation. Again, I'll read a small shloka, and I'm going to stop over there because I think I have to now hand over to Chandramouli ji in 5 minutes after giving some time to Kiran Lal ji. बाजार पेठ शोधुनी देशी परदेशी व आपुल्यात स्थानी अभ्यास नेटका करोनी उद्दिष्ट ठरवावे. First, conduct market research, Indian, foreign or local, study it conscientiously and decide on enterprise goal. Beautiful shloka. This has been done by almost 200 experts in entrepreneurship who got together and said, okay, this is one mantra, let's give it to our youth. So this is a modern Shastra. We have got, what is that called? Natya Shastra, and we've got so many other Shastras from 5,000 years ago. This is a Shastra which our own experts have written now, our own Maharshis. Somebody is asking me, can we mail the electronically filled copies? Yes, please mail it. Soham Bobde has asked me that question. In fact, that is the purpose of this thing. All the activity sheets which are there with you, please mail them. And I want to tell you that we are going to conduct 3 more enterprise education webinars. If you mail all the sheets, 50% of the sheets, you will get a certificate of enterprise education. There is a business idea generation worksheet which is there. The idea being to stimulate, generate, initiate, and check out ideas for enterprise projects. Chandramouli ji is going to talk more about it, so I'm not going to spend time on this. Again, there is an exercise over there that if you have hobbies, how you can convert that into a business. Please go through that on your own. Example is given here. Painting is converted into draw and sell paintings, signboards, and as an art curator. You have your own businesses. I had one attendee in the last session who Doifede, I remember. He said, sir, I like sports. I know I want to do an enterprise only in sports. Yes, Doifede, please think of it now very concretely. You can either do a product enterprise in sports, or you can do a service enterprise by coaching, or you can do trading. So many things you can do as a sportsman. Okay.